Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a general science class for class 1 students. My dear students, our today's topic, chapter 9, discussion, part 1. Our today's lecture number is 4. My dear students, let's start our class and follow this class with your textbook. This is chapter 9, food and homes of animals. Food and homes of animals. At first, food for animals. Animals need food to live. Animals need food to live. Different animals eat different types of food. Some animals eat only plants or parts of animals, like cows, goats, elephants, giraffes, etc. My dear students, cows, goats, giraffe and elephants eat plants or parts of plants. So, I am repeating, animals need food to live. Different animals eat different types of food. Some animals eat only plants or parts of plants, like cows, goats, elephants, giraffe, etc. See this figure. This is cow, this is goat, this is elephant and this is giraffe. Now go to next page. Some animals eat grains and seeds. Some animals eat grains and seeds like hens, sparrows, mice, squirrels, etc. See, you are given the picture of hen, sparrow, this is mouse and this is squirrel. Okay. Now some animals eat insects and worms. Some animals eat insects and worms like spiders, frogs, lizards, toads, etc. This is the figure of spider, this one is frog and this one is lizard. Okay. Now, some animals eat flesh of other animals like lions, tigers, crocodiles, sharks, kites and hawks, etc. This is the figure of lion, shark, kite. Okay, this type of animals eat flesh of other animals. Now, home for animals. Home for animals. Like us, animals also need a home to stay. These homes protect them from heat, cold and rain. These homes also protect them, their babies, from enemies. Different animals live in different types of home. Some animals live in rock cave like the lion. A lion's home is called its den. My dear students, underline this line. A lion's home is called its den. See this figure, a lion in a den. Now go to next page. Some animals live in holes dug in the ground. Like rabbits live in burrow and snakes and rats live in holes. See this figure, a rabbit in a burrow and a snake in a hole. Now, some animals live in trees. For example, monkeys, squirrels, birds like owl, woodpecker, parrot, etc. They live in tree. See this figure, a monkey in a tree. Go to next page. Some animals make their own homes. Birds make nest, spiders make web, honeybees make beehive. See this figure, a bird in a nest, a spider in a web and bees in a hive. Some animals live in homes built by men. Cows are kept in sheds. See this figure, a cow in a shed. Horses are kept in stables. See this figure, a horse in a stable. Go to next page. Dogs are kept in kennels. Dogs are kept in kennels. See here, a dog in a kennel. Now, hens are kept in coops. Hens are kept in coops. A hen, in the figure, you can see a hen in a coop. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Read this chapter properly at home. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.